Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the shiny tights hacks in a dress to impress. So if you want that perfect glow on the runway, here I'm going to show you the shiny tights hacks that all the top models in DTI are using. So this will be perfect for themes like pop star, red carpet, or even Victoria's Secret. So now you can just here go to this section and put on this tights in here, and here change the color to your skin tone like this, and make the material to silk. So as you guys can see, it will make the color darker but shiny like this. You can keep the color or you can make it a little bit brighter to suit your skin tone by dragging the color or adjusting the color to how you prefer. I think I'm going to just keep this colors right here. If you want to, you can also add another tight with the same color to add more texture. So this is how you can create the shiny tights in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.